Hello everyone. Today we are going to install Jupyter Notebook on our system. So here, first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and search here anaconda, anaconda navigator, and then you will found here anaconda.com. So you just click here and then you just click here on the free download button, and then you will see like this type of interface, and you just skip this, and you just click here on the skip registration, and then here you can see download now the distribution installer mini installer. You just click here on download distribution installers. Here our installation has been started. It will take 2 to 3 minutes, so just wait for some time. Here you can say our installation has been completed successfully. So you just click next, and then next, and and you don't launch now, you just finish it. And then now you search here anaconda anaconda navigator. Now we have to open Jupyter notebook. So launch this Jupyter note. It is the browser application, so after the launching you will show it is a web application. So after the launching you will show interface like this, where you can see your all the location of your documents, like contact, whatever you. Here you just create a new folder named Jupyter Jupyter notebook. Now just you create a file. uh Here you can write your Python. Let's print Shyam Kishor sir. Kishor sir. Now you can run through this button. Now I'm running through this button, so you can see here your output. So in this way you can easily download Jupyter notebook on your local machine. And thank you for watching.